Before boarding our flight, we decided to check out the Equinox Body Lab that's located right inside the Amex Lounge at JFK Airport.
We highly recommend trying compression therapy to help increase blood flow since you'll be doing a lot of sitting on the plane.
Welcome to Guatemala. We have finally arrived. Right now we're actually in Guatemala City, really close to the airport. We found a convenient bed and breakfast that was right by there. We had free breakfast, which was amazing, by the way.
It was really good. The hotel is called In-N-Out.
In-N-Out
It's like
Hotel.
7 minutes from the airport. We literally walked here last night. Cute little area. The people here are very friendly and welcoming. It's beautiful. They have a nice garden area that I'm going to show you guys because I can't pass it up and not show you, obviously.
Right now we're actually waiting on our driver. It's a 3-hour drive over to Panachel. We're actually going to be staying in Lake Atitlan, and the only way to actually access it is by boat. So Panachel is kind of like a port town, and from there we'll be able to take a boat over to Lake Atitlan to La Fortuna, which is where we're going to be staying.
Gorgeous, gorgeous place. Excited to show you guys our way there, so come along for the ride.
The car ride over to Panachel is 3 hours long. So come prepared with snacks and drinks to hold you over until you get to your destination.
Also, if you're the kind of person that gets car sick, I strongly encourage you have medicine specifically for that handy because the roads are very windy and bumpy.
This is the perfect time to catch up on some rest, read, watch some downloaded videos, or whatever you like to do to pass the time. All right, we have arrived at Panachel. I got the pronunciation down now. We're waiting for our boat to take us over to La Fortuna, which is located on one of the islands around Lake Atitlan. And Lake Atitlan, one of the crazy things about it, it was formed about 85,000 years ago by a volcano eruption. It's actually the deepest lake in Central America. The villa that we're staying at is beautiful. It's made out of recycled materials. They constructed it in such a way. I can't wait to show you guys. It is so peaceful and relaxing, and it is absolutely a vibe.
I just can't wait to get there. Honestly, the ride here was a lot of twists and turns, really bumpy, but we made it. So I'm just excited to see what this boat ride is, capture some content for you guys, and we'll see you on the flip side.
Not to mention, after 3 hours of being cramped up in that van, I'm ready to get going and get moving.
Catching a boat taxi in this area is pretty simple. There are always people available to take you to the towns surrounding Lake Atitlan. There's 11 of them, and each have a vibe of their own. We set up our transportation through La Fortuna because it was just easier to schedule things that way. When we booked our stay at La Fortuna, for the first few days, we stayed in suite number 1. Stay tuned for future videos for the best suite on the property. We paid $657 in total for 4 nights at La Fortuna. Every bungalow is private, and you really feel like you have the property all to yourself. We have arrived at La Fortuna. It is beautiful here. It is so peaceful, relaxing, serene. This is everything that we want and needed in a vacation.
Seriously, This is what a nature girl, like if you're a nature girl, you are going to be having the time of your life here. Like the greenery, everything is so natural and just, I'm in love. Like I have no words, honestly.
Yeah, so we're just getting settled right now. We actually got a welcome drink. We're about to do a cheers and just kick off what's going to be a really relaxing, fun-filled week.
And we got our welcome drink. Everyone is super nice here. The lady that showed us around, her name is
Angelica.
Angelica. It's very nice, very pleasant. Explained everything so well for us. So very safe, secluded, peaceful area. If you are looking to come to La Fortuna, I highly recommend already. And I've only been here for like 30 minutes.
Straight vibes. It's literally straight vibes. You already know how it's going to be.
Yeah. Cheers. Is this aloe?
It's very good, very refreshing.
Yeah.
Very light.
Suite 1 is a smaller 2-story lakefront accommodation with a king-size bed and luxurious linens. This suite has a private outdoor garden bathroom with a freestanding vintage bathtub and a rain shower. The second story is a living room loft that you have to use a ladder to access, and up there you'll find a sofa, coffee table, and a large window overlooking the gorgeous lake. We have arrived to our spot at La Fortuna. I'm in the top bunk area. Nice place to like read. Honestly, meditate, do anything up here. Just relax. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take the camera off me so I can give you guys a quick little tour up here. So intimate, so nice. Y'all are really about to get into these views real quick. Hold on.
All right, guys, we are finally settled in, unpacked here at La Fortuna. We are staying at suite number 1. We're also here with some of our friends, Dwayne and Ammoy, who we have traveled with a number of different times by now.
Yeah, so we'll definitely leave their links and logos and everything in the description bar. They also have a YouTube channel, and you guys should check them out as well. But we're just chilling and relaxing, enjoying the space. We had a little snack before because we came a little bit later than the actual lunchtime, but they were nice enough to supply us a little charcuterie board with a bunch of different things on it. Artichoke, nuts, cheese, meats. It was actually really like filling to hold us over until dinner time, so that was nice of them. They didn't have to do that, but they did, and I appreciate it.